Hey everyone! In today's video, I am going to show you how to download YouTube videos thumbnail, now quickly and easily. As you all know, YouTube doesn't allow direct downloads. So you can't do just right-click and save the thumbnail. But don't worry, I'll show you the easiest workaround using ThumbLoad.net. First, find the video that contains the thumbnail you want to download. Click on the Share button. Then copy the link to do it. Next, open your browser and go to ThumbLoad.net. Once you are there, paste the copy video link into the box on the home page and click Generate. After a few seconds, you will see multiple resolution options like 1280 by 720 WEP, 640 by 480 WEP, 1280 by 720 JPG, 640 by 480 JPG, etc. Choose the one you prefer, for example 1280 by 720 JPG, and click the Download button. ThumbLoad.net offers fast processing and supports HD thumbnail downloads. You can save them directly as high-quality files, with no extra apps needed. The thumbnail downloads straight to your device in HD, so you can edit, share, or move it between devices without losing quality. Before I wrap up, always respect copyright. If you plan to reuse a thumbnail, especially for posting or publishing, get permission from the original creator. That's it. Easily download YouTube thumbnails with ThumbLoad.net. Thanks for watching.